Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 27th birthday Kong Kayla! Maraming salamat po kay Kayla sa walang sawang suporta sa grupo natin at saka enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo.
Yan, si Kof Kayla, 27 anyos.
Batang-bata.
Bata. Maraming salamat kasi maski napakatagal na, mag-iisang taon na tayo, nandiyan ka pa rin sa DSBG, hindi ka bumitaw. Maraming problema pero nandiyan pa rin, di ba? Maraming issue yan pero nananatiling matatag si Kof Kayla sa DSBG. Isa siya sa mga importanteng bumuo ng DSBG kasi kundi dahil sa kanila wala, buwag na agad ng DSBG. Kaya enjoy mo tong birthday mo. Maraming salamat. Yon, batang-bata.
Hi, Madam Mickey. Happy birthday sa'yo. May God bless you more and thank you for the friendship and always take care of yourself. Okay, have a blessed day and enjoy your special day. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Enjoy your day. God bless you. Stay healthy and be careful. More birthdays to come and more candle to blow. I love you and I'm happy to have you in my heart.
Hello, Captain. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and stay beautiful and stay healthy and sexy. Thank you sa tanggap sa fam mo. Ayan. Happy birthday.
Sis Mickey, happy birthday! Sana laging good health and be happy always. Sana laging nandyan para sa family and friends. At laging good health.
Pinangkap, happy birthday! Wish ko sa birthday mo maging malusog at maging malakas ka pa para lagi ka rin magkakaroon ng matibay at masayang family. Then, wish you all the best in your birthday. Happy birthday and wish you all the luck. Thank you for all your support, Ninang. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you all the luck.
Our dear Mickey, happy birthday and sana maging masaya ka today sa nihanda namin to. Good health sa'yo and syempre stay in love and be happy always. Love you!
Hi, Sis Mickey! Happy birthday! Enjoy your life. Stay gorgeous. Stay healthy. God bless. Mwah.
Hello, Kak! Happy birthday! No more MMK here. Just continue to be a good person and thank you so much for being such a good friend to me and long live and stay healthy always. Yan lang! Happy birthday!
Hello po sa maganda naming Captain, Kap Kayla. Happy birthday po sa inyo. More birthday and more blessings to come po. Thank you po sa love and sa support po na binibigay niyo po sa amin sa fam. And stay pretty po always. We love you po, Kap!
Happy birthday sa napakabait namin Captain. Thank you so much Captain Kayla for always being there for each and every one of us, and we are praying and hoping for your good health and long life. Thank you so much again Captain and happy birthday.
Binabati ko po ng maligayang kaarawan si Captain Kayla ng BPMF. Happy birthday, Kapitana, at mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto ninyo. Ingat po.
Happiest birthday to our dear Captain and Ninang at BBMF family. Wishing you more birthdays to come, more good health, more blessings, and more happiness in life. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Hi, Sisika! Happy birthday sa aming napakaganda at napakabait na kapitana. Hindi lang yung basta kapitana, isa rin yung napakabuti na kaibigan, masayang kasama. Ano ba? Basta lahat nasa kanya yata, wala na akong masasabi. Sobrang down to earth. So, happy birthday, Sisika! Love you much, Mama Chuchu!
Hi, Kap! Happy birthday! Ayan, isang napakabait at mapagmahal naming captain at maalaga. Ayan, salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga mo sa amin ni Beshi. At sana tuloy-tuloy lang yan, Kap, at and wish ko sa iyong birthday ay enjoy palagi, Kap, and stay healthy, keep safe, and God bless. Ingat palagi, lalo na sa pag-drive. Happy birthday.
Hi, good evening to all. This is Ira of BBM at Mom. I just want to greet our dear Captain Kayla a happy birthday. And I wish you more success, good health, and much happiness in life. Thank you for being generous to all, and I love you just the way you are, Sissy. Again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Captain. Happy birthday. It's me, Rainer Pasaway na admin. Take care always. Stay sweet and stay happy. We love you so much and happy birthday once again.
Hi, Cap! Happy birthday sa'yo! More birthdays to come and wish you all the best po. And alam ko naman maraming mga pagsubok na dumadating sa'yo at ang iyong lola. Ayan, pray lang tayo. Basta enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo today. Love ka namin. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Mwah! Love you, Cap! Kayla!
Happy birthday, Mix! Enjoy your birthday on 26. Labas na lang tayo on your birthday or dinner. Basta stay sweet. Ingat palagi, and with the kids, happy birthday ulit. Yun lang.